Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2021 GMC Sierra. The Sierra is featured in the Elevation trim and is a black paint finish. It includes features such as our heated 40-20-40 split bench seat, backup camera with adaptive and hitch guidelines, our black assist steps, a soft rolling tonneau cover, our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, black alloy wheels, a power tailgate, as well as our black assist steps. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power locks, below our power mirrors and power window controls, storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have our tow mode as well as our drive mode select, transfer case settings, as well as our lighting controls, power settings down the side of the driver's seat, which is finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we have our display cluster with a digital information system in the center. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, as well as our heated steering wheel button. Right-hand side of the steering wheel has our hands-free, as well as all the controls for our digital information system. In the center of our vehicle, we have our infotainment system with our AM, FM, and Sirius audio, Bluetooth radio, an available Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Wi-Fi hotspot. Swiping to the right, we can see our backup camera. We have our adaptive guidelines as well as our hitch guidelines. If we go to our home, we have another view that also shows our phone contacts. Settings across the bottom if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Dual zone front climate control, heated driver and passenger seat, push to start ignition, auto stop start, our power tailgate, hazard lights, traction control, as well as the control to take down all of our windows at once, integrated trailer brake controller with our trailer tow package, USB-C, USB, and a 12-volt plug for charging, as well as Apple CarPlay. Then we have our foldable center console. You can see we have storage, our cup holders. Inside, we have more storage as well. You can see our key here as well. We have our locks and unlocks, remote start, power tailgate, and alarm system. Lifting up on our center console, we can turn it into a center seat, also finished in our jet black cloth. Lifting up underneath it, we have some more storage under the seat. Passenger seat, also the jet black cloth finish and heated. Then lastly, above our rearview mirror, we have our OnStar buttons, our rear check reminder, and our lighting controls. Now moving down the side of our vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have our 20-inch gloss black aluminum rim with our GMC center caps. Moving out, black finished mirrors, black finished door handles, as well as our black assist step across the bottom. Back of the vehicle, we can see our corner bumper steps. All the way to the back, we have our GMC badging, Sierra badging, as well as our Elevation badging, trailer tow hitch in the bottom. Up top, we have our full rolling tonneau cover, backup camera on the left-hand side, opening into our power tailgate with the press of a button. Inside, we have our in-bed lighting, cable tie-downs in the front and back, as well as our black finished bed. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finished door handle, power window control, as well as storage and our speaker in the bottom of the door. Inside the vehicle, a storage compartment in the back of the driver's seat. Between the two front seats, we have two vents, two USBs for charging, as well as a 12-volt plug. Passenger seat also has our rear seat storage pocket. Moving to these seats in the back, we have three of them, all finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, we have our two foldable cup holders with our storage in the center. Then on the outside seats, we have our storage pockets in the back of the seat. As well as by lifting up on the front of the seat, we can see our under-seat storage with a 60/40 flip-up rear seating. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2021 GMC Sierra. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.